Hello bachcho, so let's read this question. The correct statements among the following is: charge required for the oxidation or reduction of a substance depends on the stoichiometry of the electrode reaction. B. 2 moles of electrons are required for the reduction of 1 mole of calcium ion. C. 50,000 ampere current is equal to 0.518 Faraday per second. D. Charge required for reducing 1 mole of MnO4 minus ion into Mn2 plus is 4.28 into 10 to the power 5 coulombs. Now let us write the key concept of the question. Key concept of the question will be Faraday's first and second law of electrolysis. So Faraday's first law of electrolysis states that during electrolysis, the amount of chemical reaction which occurs at any electrode under the influence of electrical energy is proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through electrolytes. Now, if we look at the second law of electrolysis given by Faraday, second law of electrolysis. Second law of Faraday, second law of electrolysis states that if the same amount of electricity is passed through different electrodes, the masses of iron deposited at the electrodes is directly proportional to their chemical equivalents. Now, if we look at the question that have been given to us, हम पहले option number A देखते हैं. Option number A states that charge required for the oxidation or reduction of a substance depends on the stoichiometry of electrode reaction. So we can say this in accordance with the two laws that we have seen in the key concept. So this statement comes out to be true क्योंकि from these laws, that means Faraday's laws of electrolysis, from these laws of electrolysis, we can deduce that the amount of electricity needed for oxidation and reduction process depends on stoichiometry of the electrode reaction. So हमारा option number A true हो गया. Now let us look at option number B. Option B. Option B states that 2 moles of electrons are required for the reduction of 1 mole of calcium. तो हम एक बार reaction देख लेते हैं which is involved. तो हमें पता है Ca2 plus this statement is true. अगर हम reaction देखें तो it is Ca2 plus 2 electrons gives Ca in solid state. We can see here 2 moles of electrons are giving 1 mole of calcium ion. तो हमारी ये statement true हो गई. So our first and second statement are correct. Now let us look at the third statement. Third statement कह रही है 50,000 ampere current is equal to 0.518 Faraday per second. तो अगर हम देखें option number C. Option number C is also true. अगर हम इसे explain करें तो it is we know that I is equals to Q divided by T, where I is current, Q is charge, and T is time. And we know that 1 coulomb is equals to 96500 Faradays or Farad. तो अगर हम एक 50,000 एम्पियर को फैराड पर सेकेंड में करना हो तो we will divide it by 96500 which will come out to be 0.518 farad per second. तो हमारा ये आंसर भी सही है. This statement is also true. हमारी ऑप्शन नंबर सी भी सही हो गई. Now let us look at option number D. Charge required for reducing 1 mole of MnO4 into Mn2 plus is 4.28 into 10 to the power 5 coulomb. तो अगर हम देखें ऑप्शन नंबर डी ऑप्शन डी देखें तो MnO4 minus plus 5 moles of electrons gives Mn2 plus. We know that अगर हमें इसे कैलकुलेट करना हो तो 5 moles of electrons will be equal to 5 farad, which will be equal to 5 into 96500 coulombs, which will be equal to 4.82 into 10 to the power 5 coulombs. तो ये हमारा इसका कैलकुलेटेड वैल्यू आ गई, which is also given to us in the statement in the question. तो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर डी भी सही हो गया. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज ऑल्सो राइट. तो हमारी सारी स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हो गई. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन वेल. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.